guys, welcome to my channel Blaze and Thunder. Today we will know about 8 deadliest islands where you definitely don't want to be washed ashore. Let's begin our video. The first one is Ilha da Queimada, which is situated in Brazil. This is also nicknamed as Snake Island, lies off the coast of Brazil and is home to thousands of golden lancet vipers and little else. The snakes are among the world's most venomous, and there is, according to local legend, around 5 of the slithering creatures to every square meter. For years, the only human inhabitant was a lighthouse keeper, but now the Brazilian Navy has banned all civilians from the island. Second one, Miyakijima, which is situated in Japan. This island was found in the Izu Islands of Japan. Miyakijima's most prominent feature is the active volcano, Mount Oyama, which has erupted several times in recent history. Since the most recent explosion in 2005, the volcano has constantly leaked poisonous gas, requiring residents to carry a gas mask at all times. Sirens go off across the island when the levels of sulfur rise sharply. The third one, Saba, Netherlands Antilles. According to the website of the Caribbean Hurricane Network, the tiny island of Saba has been hit by more severe hurricanes in the last 150 years than any other in the region, including by 15 Category 3 storms and 7 Category 5s hit there during the winter. The fourth one, Bikini Atoll, which is situated in Marshall Islands. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is dangerous for two reasons: nuclear radiation and shocks. It was the site of more than 20 nuclear weapons tests between 1946 and 1958. And although the islands were declared safe in 1997, their original inhabitants have refused to return. Eating locally grown produce is not advised, so no chomping on fallen coconuts. Furthermore, the lack of fishing in the area during the past 65 years means that sea life, including sharks, have flourished, which, along the numerous shipwrecks in the region, attracts hundreds of divers each year. The fifth one, Gruinard Islands, which is situated in Scotland. This small island in the north of Scotland was used by the British government for biological warfare testing during the Second World War. Experiments were carried out on the uninhabited island using the highly virulent anthrax bacterium, which killed hundreds of sheep and forced the island to be quarantined. The island was decontaminated in the 1980s using hundreds of tons of formaldehyde, another potentially hazardous material. The sixth one, Farallon Islands, which is situated in US. Between 1946 and 1970, the sea around the Farallon Islands off the coast of San Francisco was used as a dumping site for radioactive waste. An estimated 47,555 gallon steel drums were discarded here, but their exact location and the risk they pose to the environment is unclear. It is also believed that attempting to remove them would cause more damage than leaving them untouched. There is also an intensive elephant seal population, which attracts scores of great white sharks. Think twice before snorkeling. Next, the seventh one, Ramri Island, Myanmar. This island off the coast of Myanmar is famous for a gruesome incident that occurred during the Second World War. In 1945, following fighting between British and Japanese troops, an estimated 400 Japanese soldiers were forced to flee into the marshes that surround the island, where they were apparently set upon by the island's sizable population of saltwater crocodiles. The incident is, according to the Guinness Book of Records, the greatest disaster suffered by humans from animals was claimed by this island. Next, the eighth one, named as Danger Island. This island, found 800 kilometers south of Maldives, Danger Island makes our list entirely for its fearsome moniker. The name is thought to derive from the lack of safe and courage, which made trips to the island particularly risky for early explorers. So these are the 8 deadliest islands in the world we see. So the video is over guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel and kill the bell icon to get notifications. This is your Blaze and Thunder signing off. Bye for now.